Hello, everyone. My name is Zachary Brazola, and along with Professor Christoph Reinhardt, we'd like to share with you our program to reduce U.S. greenhouse gas emissions 11% by 2050. The program will achieve this by reducing energy use in single-family homes while creating 265,000 clean tech jobs. In order to meet the Paris Climate Agreement's 1.5 degree C target, the world's buildings will need to emit zero emissions by 2050. Unfortunately, since most of today's buildings will still be in use in 2050, we will need to undertake a massive retrofitting effort in the coming years. Here in the US, residential buildings account for approximately 20% of carbon emissions. Single-family homes are the majority of these buildings. This is why our program focuses on retrofits of single-family homes to reduce US carbon emissions. These retrofits can achieve an 85% reduction in emissions from single-family homes. This will lead to an 11% decrease in nationwide emissions. In order to reach this goal, we're going to need to retrofit the entire US building stock. The current status quo retrofitting rate is around 1%. If we are to retrofit all US homes in the next 30 years, we need to reach and maintain a 4% retrofitting rate by 2031. This program is designed to do just that. We have developed a three-pronged approach. First, we need to renew and expand the 25C non-business energy property tax credit. This tax credit would cover 40% of your retrofitting costs if you achieve a 45% or more energy usage reduction. The comprehensive retrofits necessary would consist of upgrades including insulation and air sealing, more efficient equipment such as LED light bulbs, and heat pumps to eliminate on-site fossil fuel combustion such as natural gas furnaces. We take this comprehensive approach to retrofits because relying on heat pumps alone would put a massive strain on the power grid, especially in the winter. By adding air sealing and insulation, the heating required to keep buildings warm is lessened, and the demand on the power grid is greatly reduced. The average cost for these retrofits is around $15,000 or more. We need to bring down this cost, and tax credits are key to driving adoption up in the short term so that technology costs decline going forward and make retrofits more affordable for all. Finally, one of the most important changes to the current 25C tax credits is to make them refundable. As with the earned income and child tax credits, this means all eligible households would be able to receive the credit, including the 44% of Americans who had no income tax liability in 2017. The current non-refundable status disproportionately affects low and middle income households and pulls down the nationwide retrofitting rate. For the 25.5 million Weatherization Assistance Program eligible households in the US, the 40% tax credit is not going to be enough. The Weatherization Assistance Program is going to need to complement this tax credit so that low-income households can take advantage of these retrofits to build healthier and lower energy consuming homes. Finally, we need a workforce that is ready to implement these upgrades. Thankfully, the Department of Energy has the resources to create training programs and direct contractors on how to best meet these goals. The program is going to be 10 years, and the final cumulative cost in 2031 is going to be up to $171 billion, including the tax credit and the expanded Weatherization Assistance Program. However, this cost is going to reap benefits for the following 20 years as it gets the retrofitting rate to 4% and keeps it there, helping the US reach its 2050 Paris Agreement targets. All of this retrofitting is going to create 265,000 jobs spread across the entire country. These are well-paid jobs in the trades, working on projects in every community. Moreover, these jobs are going to be sustained after the program ends because homes will still need to be retrofitted around the country. By this time, however, the cost of technology will have fallen due to the economies of scale, and the workforce will be well-equipped to cost-effectively retrofit homes. Thank you, and we look forward to sharing more with you about our ideas.